see me. You can't see me. Because I am the ninja. Ninja Rabbit English! Ninja Rabbit English! Ninja Rabbit English!
Oh, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Say, can I ask you, are you a blue rabbit?
Me? Why, yes I am. I am a blue rabbit.
Thought so.
And you? Are you a blue rabbit?
Well, yes I am. I am a blue rabbit too.
What's your name?
Well, my name's Bob. What's your name?
My name's Bob too.
What?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Hey, well, his name is Bob. And I'm Bob also.
He's a blue rabbit.
Yeah.
And I'm a blue rabbit too.
Huh.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
Cool.
Well, it's
Okay.
very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Goodbye.
Okay. Goodbye.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, hi. Oh, I'm sad. I'm kind of sad.
Why are you sad?
I don't know. Oh, am I fat?
No, you are not fat.
No. Well, am I thin?
Yes, you are very thin.
Oh, good. Okay. Am I old?
No, you are young.
Oh, but okay. Am I pretty?
Oh, you are very pretty.
Oh,
Very pretty.
oh, thank you.
Are you sad now?
No, I'm not sad. Now I'm happy.
Nice.
Happy.
Let's go drink milk tea.
What? Drink milk tea with you? But you're an ugly boy. Ah, no.
Oh. Would you like to drink milk tea with me?
Ha! I am long. I am thin. I am green. I am a snake.
Wait.
What?
You are long.
Yes.
You are thin. You are green. But you have legs. You're a lizard. You're not a snake.
I'm a snake.
Lizard.
Snake.
Go away, lizard. Go. Hi. I am blue. I am big. I'm a big blue bear. Rah!
He's not a bear. He's a rabbit. Huh?
Bear. Hello, everyone. Welcome to What Is It? Today we talk about things we can sit on.
All right.
Okay, Rabbit, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, Rabbit, it's not an animal, but it has 4 legs. You can find it in a kitchen, in a living room, or in a classroom. It starts with the letter C.
Ah, I know. It's a car.
Do you have a car in your kitchen? Has a car got 4 legs?
Okay.
It's a chair, Rabbit! A chair! Okay. Next question.
Okay.
It's an animal.
Animal.
It has 4 legs.
4 legs. It's an elephant. It's an elephant.
Rabbit,
Sure.
do you see an elephant? Is this an elephant?
No.
Is this an elephant?
No.
Is that or that?
No.
Oh,
I know.
What?
I got it. I see it. It's a horse. It's a horse.
finally!
It's a horse.
Yes, it's a horse.
Woo.
The rabbit got horse. Yes. Okay, go away. Oh.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Math Made Easy. Today we will talk about adding numbers, addition. Now, where is my student? Student!
Curtis, my name is Curtis,
Yeah.
teacher.
Okay.
Curtis.
Yes.
Math! I hate math. I won't do math. I don't want math. No math.
Student,
No.
today we
No.
will do
No.
math. All right.
No.
First question. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2.
Easy.
Yes.
2 plus 2 is 4.
Very good. Yes. Okay. Next question.
No more question. No more questions.
Stop it.
No.
Stop.
No. Oh, sorry, teacher.
What is 1 plus 3 plus 2?
Math. Don't like math. 1 plus 3 plus 2.
Yes.
4. No. 7. No. 6. It's
Yes.
6, teacher.
Yes.
6.
Yes.
6.
Very good. Now, last question.
God, no more questions. No more
Yes.
questions.
Stop it!
No,
Stop it!
Sorry, teacher.
What is 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4.
5 plus 4 is 9. 9,
Yes.
teacher. Can I go
Yes.
now? Can I go?
Yes, you may go.
The ninja is watching you. I see you.
Down. Up. Down. Look up. Look down. Look up. Look down.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Blue Rabbit's Grammar Corner. Today we will look at a and an. Monkey, where's Monkey? Oh, hi, Monkey.
Oh, hi, rabbit.
Monkey, it's Blue Rabbit.
Well, I'm blue rabbit.
Good. Monkey, I need your help.
Okay.
Monkey, I have 2 sentences.
Yes, you do.
And I need to use a or an.
Oh, an again.
Okay, Monkey, what would you put here?
Well, cat. I'm gonna go with a cat.
So,
A cat.
a cat
Yes.
looks at.
Oh, that's insect. Oh, I did this the other day. It's an insect.
So, Monkey says sentence 1 is a cat looks at an insect.
Yes.
Okay, Monkey?
All right.
Sentence 2.
Okay.
What do you put here?
Rock. Whoa. A rock. A rock. A rock. A rock.
A rock
A rock.
is not. And here?
Oh. Animal. Animal.
Okay.
Animal.
Okay. Is he right? Is he right? Let's find out. Blue Rabbit Grammar Magic! Okay. How did Monkey do? Let's see. A cat. Monkey said a.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. A cat looks at an insect.
Ha!
Well
Knew it.
done, Monkey.
I knew it.
But here, a rock,
Oh.
yes,
Yeah.
is not.
Oh! What?
What happened, Monkey?
An animal. An animal. An
Because
animal. An animal.
A is a.
Oh, yeah, that's right. A is a vowel.
And our vowels are.
Oh, you want me to say them?
Yes.
All right. A, E, I, O, and U.
Well done, Monkey.
All right.
Goodbye.
Bye. Oh, wait.
What?
Do I win a prize or something?
No prize.
Oh,
But we could say the vowels.
one more time?
Yes.
All right.
A,
E, I, O, U.
Well done.
Thanks.
Okay.
All right, goodbye.
Bye. Okay. Go.
All right.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah. Hello.
You're tall.
Yes. And you're short.
Yes. It's a dragon. It's green. It's tall.
It's a rabbit. It's purple. It's short.
Yes. Goodbye.
Bye.
Hello, and welcome to How Do You Say These Words? Today, we will practice the sounds S and sh. S-S-H. Now, where is my student? Student!
Yes, teacher. What do you want?
Ah, student. Today, I want you to...
Teacher, I have a name, but you always call me student.
Oh, what? Oh, you told me your name, and I forgot. What is your name, student?
Teacher, my name is Curtis.
Ah, very good. All right, Curtis. Now, how do you say these words?
Easy. These words.
Every time. Listen. Sun.
Sun.
And the sun shines
Shines.
on students.
Students.
Very good. Snakes.
Snacks.
Snakes.
Snacks.
Snakes.
Snakes.
Very good.
Okay,
Snakes.
Okay. Snakes.
Ah. Sheep.
Ship.
It's not a ship. Sheep.
Ship.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Very
Sheep.
good.
Sheep. Ah.
One more. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Good. Okay. S. Shh. Very good. One more time with the words. Student.
Okay.
Sun.
Sun.
Shines.
Shines.
Students.
Students.
Snakes.
Snakes.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
The whole sentence.
Okay.
The sun shines on students, snakes, sheep, and shrimp.
The sun shrimps on sheep, snakes, and students.
Are you even trying?
Yes. Of course.
One more time.
Okay.
The sun
The sun
shines
shines
on students,
on students,
snakes,
snakes,
sheep,
sheep,
and shrimp.
and shrimp.
The sun shines on students, snakes, sheep and shrimp.
The sun shines on students, snakes, sheep, and shrimp.
Very good. You may go now, Bob.
Thank you. I go. I will go. I go. Yeah, bye.
Bye, Bob.
The ninja is watching you. I see you. I see you.
I don't see a ninja. One, two, three, 4.
6!
6.
Six!
No.
No? No? Okay.
Please be quiet.
Okay.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
9! 9! 9!
No!
Yeah! 9!
Stop!
Okay.
Honestly.
Sorry,
Oh,
monkey.
thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
42! 42! 42! It's 42! 42!
Go! Go!
Wow! Beautiful! Amazing!
What are you looking at?
Look! A balloon!
Wow! Hey, is that Curtis in the balloon?
Yes it is!
Oh, can he hear us?
I don't know! Hey, Curtis!
Curtis!
Hey, Curtis!
Curtis!
Hey guys, look! I'm in a balloon!
Yes, we can see that!
Hey guys, look at this! Look at what I can! Oh, no!
Curtis, are you okay?
No! Oh my! Oh, poor Curtis!
Jeez.
Oh,
Whew.
oh.
Hey, do you want to go drink some milk tea?
Okay.
All right.